Hi guys, and welcome back to another video of Kevin Gaming. And today I'm gonna do something really different. And it's Lego Minions set, Despicable Me sets, and some collected putty. And yeah. So I got both of these from this I got this from my local Dollar Tree, and this I got this from my local Dollar General. So that's weird. So the barcode, let me show you all guys around. Okay. It says, I don't know. Leave the comment down below what it says. So let's start with this one, the Galactic Putty. There, that was easy. Oh, wait, some of it is coming out. There. Oh my gosh. It's so sticky. Wait, let me put it out. Oh my gosh. Look guys, look, let me put it. You see? Oh my gosh. You hear that? You hear that guys? Oh my gosh. It sounds like water. Okay, it's time to get messy in here. So let me put it back. There. I think that's it. No, there's one drop. Okay. Yeah. So that's the collected putty. That's the slime. And yeah, so that was the collected putty. So now for the Legos, and I can't open it the other day, but I'm sorry guys, I'm so sorry, forgive me, I'm sorry. So I know the character of this guy, it's Kevin. I'm gonna call him Kevin Gaming Jr. Wait, his arms move. Oh my gosh, his legs too. Look, my underwear is. Oh, his legs move too. Wait, it goes like forward. This is awesome. Wait. You can. Oh. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. So you can see what's inside Kevin's head. It's all block-sided. So that's Kevin right there. Let me put it off the side. There we go. I think that's good. Okay, so for now, I need to hurry up this video because this is gonna take a long time. So, oh my gosh. Okay, so guys, this is gonna be a long video. Don't mind me, but I'm here to help. Okay, open the back. Okay, there. So you need 2 of these. And now you need 1 of these and put these right here. Is that Kevin's? Oh, no. That's not. Okay, and next up, I'm guessing this goes all the way to the back. Oh, and this goes in the front. I'm sorry, guys. And now you need, okay. This is like the same piece, but it has a flower. That makes it a different piece. So step number one is finished. And now you need one of these. I'm sorry guys, but I need to hurry up this video. Yeah, I think that's right. Okay. Okay. Ah! Oh my gosh, guys, this is so... Okay, there we go. And next up, okay, okay, so we need all of these pieces and this. So this is the mail, and I'm gonna put it on Kevin's arm. There. Oh, my mail! I need to get it. Okay, so I already know how to put it. So, guys, I'm gonna hurry up this. So, now what? Wow. Huh. Okay. Okay, I think that's it. So, now, put it right here. And now, dun 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 dun. There it is, guys. I'm lifting the camera. So that's. So let me. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked that video. So subscribe, like, comment, and yeah. So I will be back for more videos. Bye. Kevin Gaming now.